We all know that now we are facing the scare of the Omicron variant of the COVID-19 pandemic virus, which originated in South Africa on 24th of this month. This Omicron variant is capable of increased transmission and it is capable of causing reinfection. Therefore, it is of utmost importance that we at individual level again go back to adhering our social pandemic norms like avoiding social gatherings, try to avoid mass modes of transportations, wear mask appropriately if preferable double masking, and try to maintain a social distance of at least 1 meter, and make sure that you frequently sanitize your hands with soap and water, and frequently monitor for symptoms of any sore throat or fever or breathing problem or cough. And if you find anything like that, make sure that you consult your pulmonologist, and make sure that you avoid unnecessary travels, and it is preferable to work at home if you have a facility to do so. So adhering to the social pandemic norms and getting yourselves adequately vaccinated with at least 2 doses of the current COVID-19 vaccination can protect you from the serious and the deadly forms of this COVID-19 pandemic virus.